bro. Look. Oh shoot. Look.
Seafood.
Street food, huh?
Yeah.
Man.
Seafood.
Should get some.
That's not sexy.
Ayan na. I'm gonna put it on, what do you call it? Yeah, I'm gonna re-record it, so, so they don't hear us. I'll turn it off. I just wanna, all the way down to, when we get to downtown, Pier 39. I'll be like, beep! That was beep! mute that part.
Tourist, huh? Tourist?
Yeah,
Tourist.
tourist. Would you live in that condo, friends? Like that one? Yeah?
Yeah. I'm by the bay.
By the way, yeah, that's true. But you're overlooking this pier.
Yeah. Pier 14. Pier 3.
You think there's a lot of tourists though? Oh yeah, on a Friday? Huh? Saturday?
Oh, yeah.
This kid.
Like around anytime after 4 or 5.
Yeah.
They all gonna come out.
Yeah. Or the tourist is gonna come out
Yeah.
on Friday night. Hey, there's a concert at the park.
A lot of things going on, huh?
Is that where the cruise ship was? Oh no, you guys had
We went
to.
to Seattle.
Okay. James Irvine Cruise.
But they park here too.
Oh, they
A
park
different
here too.
cruise.
Okay. Going
Remember the
somewhere
big
else.
ship that we saw here?
Right.
Yeah. That's part of the cruise, but that probably has a different route.
Okay. Tourists. Shit, that's how the San Francisco I used to know. Look, it was like that, bro. Before the pandemic.
They'll go to Alcatraz.
Yeah. Before the pandemic, it was like that, bro.
They'll go to Alcatraz.
Yeah.
Those people.
The pandemic kind of fucked up everything.